Top of the morning, folks. It's Thursday morning. We're over here at the Golf Outlet Marina. It's got a new name, I can't pronounce it, so we're gonna go in here and see Mr. Tony. I see his skips there, so he's not out getting bait.
But I got some shrimp in that, dude, like that.
Do I? Got big shrimp?
Yeah.
There goes Mr. Tony not getting in his boat. Looks like he sold all his crabs. No, he's got some crabs. $18 a dozen.
Yeah,
What's up, big man? How's it going?
What's up, man?
Same thing full yet. Woo, look at the size of them shrimp, folks. Y'all want shrimp for bait? That's some shrimp there. Holy mackerel. Big shrimp. Big shrimp. I see a croaker in there too. Croaker's in hog heaven there. Filtration system. Oyster shell. Filtration system to the oyster shell. Fisherman's friend, folks. Come get your live shrimp, your boiled crabs, everything else. There's the menu. Keeping the dock clean. I got one trailer launch, folks. Out here at the Golf Outlet Marina, Bayou B Avenue. That's Fisherman's friend right there. There he goes, folks. Mr. Tony going out and get his live shrimp. Get some live shrimps. Live shrimps. That's a pretty shot, folks. I used to do that. Go out and catch my live shrimp. I used to pull a 25-foot trawl. Make 2 10-minute drags and have all the shrimp you need all day long. My son coming up over there, folks. All right, folks. Boss man's got something, folks.
On our twin tail teaser again.
On the twin tail teaser with a drop shot.
Fishing in this tide and this current.
Let's see what we got here.
See what we got this time.
I just caught a real nice flounder with it. Folks, the water's moving from my right to the left. And you can fish it this way because that current's going to keep the twin tail teaser back, floating backwards. Nice little trout, baby. Croaker, a croaker. That's all right.
Oh, a little red.
Red?
A little red.
A little red. Hey, folks, see, just snap the swivel right on the eye of that hook right there. You got your drop shot with whatever lure you want to use. That's a Saltron. But you snap it on right there and the line comes off of it. Just 1 ounce sinkers down at the bottom there and you're dragging that trailer behind it. First time we fished it this way, we caught one flounder, one little rat red. The tide's coming from my right to my left. It's going around like that all the way across. When it gets straight behind you is where you want to fish at. If you throw it out here, it's going to roll along the bottom and it's going to tangle up your line. But if you throw it back this way, a little bit of an angle, and then let it come around like that, right in that drop off right there is where they at. All right, man, drop shot. I mean, them twin tail teasers doing pretty good here, folks. See what we got here. Matrix Twin Tail Teasers, folks. Got a little more meat there. That's another flounder, I believe. I think it's another flounder. Whoa!
Big old trout.
Whoa! Twin Tail Teaser, Matrix Shed on a lemon drop. All right, that's a drop shot, folks, with the twin tail teaser on it. hit that green one. Them trout love that green one. That's why we got it on the bottom of it. Nice trout, about a 2-pound trout.
Yeah, beautiful.
All right, folks, I'm trying the Matrix Twin Teaser tight line it. Once again, you just hook it on the eye of your lure, snap it on there, and you fish it just like that. Haven't caught one yet, but I'm working on it.
Feels like another trout,
We just got another one here. Using the drop shot rig with the Matrix Twin Teasers.
We got.
I'll say you hit the green one. I'll say you hit the green one. No specky trout. That's all right. It's working. A while back at one of Team JoJo's fishing curriculum sessions, Chris Como came by and gave us a tutorial and demonstration on sliding corks. This is a sliding cork here. The beauty of this is you can set it to any depth you want. Right now we're sitting in about 10 feet of water, so I'm gonna set it for about 9, see how it works out. And all I did was hook the Twin Teaser, Matrix Twin Teaser, right onto the eye, right below the sliding sinker. And that's probably a 3/8 sliding sinker. There's my 2 Matrix Twin Teasers right there. I'm gonna set it down to about 9 feet and see what happens, folks. Tide's going right to left. The cork's just gonna drift back to my left, and they're gonna hit it when it comes up to drop off, hopefully. See, folks, I'm just leaving line out. There's my cork right there. Pull it back, it brings up that double car. Matrix Twin Tail, brings it up, drops it back down. And I take my thumb off my spool here, just like I'm trolling. I leave more line out and I let it drift on back. Tide dying down. It was going pretty good when we were here. Cork's getting further and further away, folks. Work it just like a popping cork, folks. It brings that Matrix Twin Tail Teaser up, drops it back down. Gives it that little action there. Popping cork, but the only thing is you're about 9.5 feet deep. Folks, we switched over to spinner baits. In another spot, they just catch a lot of trout, a little rat red. That's all right. All right, folks, it's 9 o'clock. We came in. I was over by Bob Avenue by the locks. And the locks tooted their horn 3 times, and I think that means they're getting ready to close the locks. And we didn't feel like sitting out there for another hour after they close it. They open it back up. So we came in. We had some action. We got 2 trout, 2 reds, 1 flounder. But the main thing is we got to try the Matrix Twin Teasers out in different techniques and presentations. And I'll explain all that in my report. But it was a good outing.